need to walk around 2 more kilometers to reach my destination. You can see there is heavy snowfall here. Let me show you how much the snow had fallen. See here, completely here. Right now it's better to walk. You should not drive because at any time it is very slippery here. Okay, you can see here once again. I'll show you. See this snow behind me. I think you can see here. See the snow, how much it is falling. So much it has fallen, and it is very slippery here. I came to get experience of this enjoyment. Really, I'm very happy. I'm enjoying maximum. I never walked, I never experienced any time in my life, lifetime. You can see here. My legs are getting slipped. Let me show you the front video. I'm unable to walk nor talk. Hands are completely frozen. Wow, what an experience here. What an experience. Wow, so much happiness. I'm so happy. So happy. Here you can see it is very slippery. Yeah? One should come with prepared. I came without preparation. I thought I have strength to I wonder how our army might be protecting our country, right? For this much of snow, we are unable to. I personally, I'm unable to survive here. But hats off to them. Salute, Jai Hind, my army. You can see there is a huge snowfall, heavy snowfall. Completely it is covered by snow. Everything is completely covered by snow. Waited for 3 days, spent all my money to get experience of this particular moment. You can see here how they are enjoying themselves. Right? For sure, I'll be coming tomorrow with my complete set, and I'll try to make tent tomorrow. Oh, heavy snowfall. Should not catch the break. if you catch the brake, if you put the brake, for sure there's going to be a fall. So I thought today I thought actually my friends, today I thought to rent a bike, but luckily I did not rent that bike. If not, I would have got stuck here and I would have faced problem. I couldn't able to take the video. I can see here. Hope. Oh God. What a moment, yes. If at all, if you are trying to come to Manali, please be prepared well, and with good planning you are supposed to come here. Without planning, if at all if you are coming, so for sure there going to be a difficulty. Yeah. Who bachelors especially, like if they are willing to come, they can. But my advice is not to come without preparation, but with preparation you are supposed to come, because here completely it's different. Okay, this is one side of road. By walking we are going, you can see lot of traffic jam got stuck. Oh God, see the mountains from here. Let me show you from the other side. What a view here. So beautiful view. So beautiful. Never experienced like this in my lifetime. See the mountains which are completely covered by snow. Almost I'm near to Solong Valley, but it is very difficult to Today the snow is very heavy. Snowfall is very heavy today. You can see here down. You can see my legs. You can't see almost. So through this way I came like that, and if at all if I'm going towards this side, I'll find Solong Valley. But let me go through this way now. Completely I got wet. BRO in the service of our nation. I don't know the full form of BRO. Border Roads Organization. BRO stands for Border Roads Organization. Is in the service of our nation. Project Rohtang Tunnel. Oh God. You can see here. See the mountains. See the traffic jam. Security. Right, come, let's move forward. Anyways, I don't know, but where I'm going to wind up, where I'm going to end my destination, but let me get experience from this. So many couples, every time they'll come and they'll visit here. Oh God, see the views, see the view. Beautiful, it is very beautiful. Oh God. 2 kilometers. Solang Valley is still 2 kilometers far from here. So, wow, what a beautiful view. See this. Mostly from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Most of the people they come from Ahmedabad here to visit this beautiful place, Manali. There's a heavy snowfall. Let us go. 2 more kilometers I need to walk. It's an adventurous trek actually. Walking on the snow is not so easy, my dear friends. Walking on the snow is completely like, it is very dangerous. One side I'm getting wet, but I want to show you this particular movement. I want to show you this here this side how actually it snows. Snowfall, heavy snowfall. I think this side it's raining. Snow is not falling, but it has melted. The temperature has decreased, I guess. You can see here. One should, if at all, if you're coming by 4-wheelers, you can't drive 4-wheelers here. I'm standing under the tree. So difficult. Those are having breathing problem, lungs issue or something like, better not to come to this type of places because it will be very difficult. Breathing, we can't breathe properly. Come, let's move forward. My destiny is to reach at least Solang Valley. How far you are? Wow, what a beautiful moment. 2 kilometers. You can see how much it is snowing here. You can go to place. Let me take few pictures. Oh, I think I'm going to fall here. Should be very careful here. You can see the sound of my shoe when I'm stepping on the snow. Wow, beautiful place. Wow. You can see the snowfall has reduced right now. So, but all this complete valley, Palchang Valley, and on the way to Solang Valley, it's completely covered with snow. Hope you all can see the view. The roads are completely blocked here, and it's almost like some inches. The snow has fallen today. Heavy snow had fallen today completely. Let's go somewhere front, and then let me show you some more uh, locations towards this Solang Valley. Why I'm not worried? I'm not worried about the uh, health issue. I mean to say, I'm worried about my now. I'm worried about my means of transportation. I came by bus. You can see Balino. I think this is a shortcut. भैया ये शॉर्टकट है कहाँ पे? पालचन पालचन ब्रिज. Fine, fine. So here
कहाँ जाना है?
मनाली.
यहीं से जाओ ना.
ओके.
गाड़ी नहीं है गाड़ी.
नहीं है बस से आया हूँ. बस से आया हूँ मैं. बस आएगा अभी.
बस में आए.
हाँ.
सुबह मेरे को आपने फोन तो नहीं किया था?
नहीं
किया था.
नहीं. आपका फ़ोन नंबर ही मेरे पास नहीं है.
स्केटिंग के लिए.
मैं स्केटिंग ही नहीं करता हूँ मैं. हाँ. चलो मिलता हूँ.
ओके.
थैंक यू भैया. It's very slippery here. You can see it's fresh snow which had fallen few hours back. Not even hours back, few minutes back, maybe 30 hours back, 30 minutes back. Unable to speak completely. My hands became numb. Wow, what a beautiful scene here. You can see the view. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. It's my life's first time that I had seen a fresh snow. So we are supposed to come through this. I came through this way because that road is going to. Yeah, I'm going to touch that road by the wrong route. Hopefully you can see there are doves and crows are there here. Wow, what a beautiful scenery here. Okay, friends, if at all if you are willing to come to Manali during from maybe like from November to February, if at all if in order to get experience of this snowfall, fresh snowfall, you can come during this 4 months, November, December, Jan and February. You will see beautiful snowfall. I just had tea. We should walk very careful because here get or we, if we fall, we for sure will have severe injury. Wow, this is called as real trekking or real adventure. I don't know what we call it as, but walking on the fresh snow and really feeling very excited and very happy. The temperature here had already fallen to minus degrees. You can see this complete area is covered by fresh snow.